Imagine a world where people have difficulty breathing. That's on another level, huh? Think about it, and it's painfully obvious that that's Earth's fate if we don't do anything. What are you talking about? You're probably heavily contributing to it too. No, I'm not. It's not like we're producing millions of plastic water bottles in just an hour. Calm down. Actually, if you live in America, yes, you do. You, along with the entire world, must act. Our world hasn't yet developed to the point where every used piece of waste that cannot be reused is recycled. We all need to fix this. Doesn't matter if you don't wanna or it takes forever to adjust. Do it so the world can have a better tomorrow. This is a day in the life of your trash that is wasted forever versus recycled. We use two methods to manage the tremendous waste that goes in this black bin. Before that happens, after your dumpster trash gets picked up, your trash may be brought to a material recovery facility, an MRF, where trash and recyclables are sorted. Unfortunately, this isn't the case for all trash. Some is littered or just not brought to one. Then the waste comes to a transfer station to be compacted, as shown, before it goes to one of two final destinations, incineration or landfills. Incineration is the burning or combustion of waste and emits really harmful substances. Whoa, like what? They're so bad they send out more carbon dioxide than coal-fired power plants. These things emit carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, mercury, lead, and hydrochloric acid, all of which are toxic substances. And landfills aren't any good either. It's a place designed for the storing and burial of trash, where it can never be used again, where materials that could have been used again are thrown away and left to decompose, which takes hundreds of millions of years. The system is designed to keep negative environmental impacts to a minimum. First, clay is lined on the ground. Second, a layer of plastic is put on top of that to prevent leakage of a liquid called leachate, which collects toxins from the waste. It's then collected through a drainage system that brings the dirty liquid and toxins through pipes to a pool, where it's cleaned of the bad stuff and freed anew into the environment. It's still extremely noxious to the earth. Landfills are stinky and produce much methane, a greenhouse gas. Now, what happens when you instead put your recyclable trash in the blue bin? While the recycling process often differs by commodity and locality, there are essentially three main steps: collection, processing, and remanufacturing. First, recyclables are produced by a consumer or business, and then collected by a private hauler or government entity. Whoever collects it brings it to a processing facility, such as a materials recovery facility or paper processor. There, the recyclables are sorted, cleaned, and prepared for transport to a milling facility, where rotating cutters are used to remove material from the surface of a workpiece, or straight to a manufacturing facility for its next life. However, some recyclables can require more cleaning. Examples include glass and plastic, which are often sent to glass beneficiation plants and plastics reclaimers to be processed more. Remanufacturing is the last step of recycling. As the name suggests, recyclables are manufactured again. They are given another life, whether they become glass, plastic water bottles, or new paper. Nice. What exact things does recycling benefit? It really does help the earth recover every day. Recycling saves energy, natural materials, and waste from going to landfills and incinerators. As previously explained, landfills and incinerators emit disgusting amounts of disgusting substances. So reducing waste sent to them would mean reducing the harmfulness of our highly damaged and contaminated environment. Since products are being recycled, the need to produce even more products is smaller, which means a smaller need to procure even more natural materials needed to make those products. Natural materials like timber, water, and minerals are saved, not to mention the approximate 700,000 jobs and $37 billion in wages made. In conclusion, for the sake of a better tomorrow for the world, start doing something. Recycle. Put your recyclable trash in the blue bin rather than the black. This is Company Dreate 5000. Do something now.